Welcome dear traders and investors on our YouTube channel. I hope all of you are doing great. So I am back with my Nifty's overview for tomorrow, that is for 7 July 2020. Before that, let's have a brief wrap up of Nifty's today's movement. So today Nifty started the day with a gap up movement. You can see that on chart also, and after that traded on high levels for the entire day. As we predicted in our yesterday's video that any breakout and consolidation above the level of 10,700 may lead short term buying in Nifty, and Nifty reacted in the same way. Nifty made a high of 10,811.40 during the day and closed at 10,763.65 with the overall gain of 1.47% on daily basis. Nifty is still sustaining near to its 4-month high. If we look for major contributors for Nifty's today's movement, so we will find that M&M, Bajaj Finance, Hindalco and Tata Motors provided support to the Nifty on the higher levels, whereas Bajaj Auto, GAIL, Bharti Airtel and Wipro remain the loser for the day. On indices front, Nifty Realty and Nifty Auto sectors stocks provided boost to the Nifty, whereas we saw selling in Nifty Pharma from the higher levels. Now if we look for Bank Nifty's daily chart, so we will find that Bank Nifty also started the day with a gap up movement. We saw good buying in it in the first half, but in the second half of the session it witnessed slight sell off from the higher levels. It closed at 22,198.95 with the overall gain of 1.59% on daily basis. Now if we go for open interest and price analysis, so we will find that there is a good long build up in Cummins India, SRF, Century Textile and BEL, whereas SAIL, Mindtree, Escorts and Tata Steel witnessed a good short covering from the lower levels. On the other hand, Equitas, IGL, Godrej CP and Cadila witnessed a good short build up, whereas Aibul Housing Finance, Idea, Godrej Properties and Balkrishna Industries witnessed slight sell off from the higher levels. Now on technical front, if we look for Nifty's daily chart, so we will find that Nifty broke the major trend line visible on this chart also and provided closing above the same. Nifty is already sustaining from its 200 days exponential moving average from last 3 trading session. Its RSI is also entered in overbought zone and almost tested its 7-month high, which is around November 2019 levels. So for tomorrow we can expect further upside movement in Nifty till the level of 10,950 to 11,000, but we have to be cautious on these levels because any sell off below the level of 10,700 may lead sharp fall in the Nifty. Similarly, if we go for Bank Nifty's overview for tomorrow, so on Bank Nifty daily chart we will find that although Bank Nifty witnessed positive movement today and closed with the overall gain of almost 1.6%, but is still unable to break its major resistance level of 22,500 and consolidating below the same from last 9 trading sessions. So further for tomorrow we can expect a good buying in Bank Nifty if it breaks the level of 22,500 and sustain above the same. Then it can test the intraday levels of 23,000 to 23,200. But any breakout below the level of 22,000 may lead short term selling in Bank Nifty with the level of 21,500. On microeconomic front, there is no major data expected for tomorrow, but any update on the geopolitical issue between India and China coupled with the current status of COVID-19 vaccine trial on human may further provide direction to the Nifty in the short term. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe our YouTube channel for daily update. Have a great trading session ahead. Thank you.